I get a lot of questions from readers as to what to pack for short or long trips. Clothes that can cover a range of needs for a meeting or for a walk around town, but also something easy to travel in. One way to approach this is to pick clothes that all work together, so they create a maximum number of outfits from a minimum number of items. In this first of 2 videos, I'm going to show you what I would pack for 3 days away. The second video will expand on this to show wardrobe for a longer trip. First of all, I've picked a soft shoulder jacket in a grey herringbone tweed. This is casual enough to be worn with jeans, but also smart enough for tailored trousers. And then I've picked a cream shawl-collared cardigan. This also bridges smart and casual, and a shawl collar is a useful piece because it works equally well with a shirt and a t-shirt. Cream is also a really good colour in knitwear as it goes with everything, and you're unlikely to be wearing cream anywhere else, so it's not going to clash with anything. For the trousers, I've gone with a pair of dark indigo jeans and tailored navy trousers. So you can imagine how those two could be worn together. The cardigan could be worn with a t-shirt and these jeans and be quite casual, or the jacket could go with the trousers and a white shirt and be quite smart. The other combinations work too. So the cardigan with the trousers and the jacket with the jeans. So in total, you've got 4 options there you can pick from, which cover a wide range of requirements from smart to casual. It's useful if the shoes are just as versatile, working with all 4 of those outfits. Sometimes shoes can become uncomfortable when you travel for some unknown reason. It's good to have a spare. And in general, it's good for shoes not to be worn every day. So you want to be able to alternate them and not have that drive the rest of the outfit. Here I've picked a loafer in dark brown suede. The style and the material bridge our formal and casual outfits, and a loafer in Colour 8 corduroy. This is just as versatile, while being a nice change from the suede. Cordovan is also a good option for wet weather, which is really useful when you're traveling. I then pack shirts and t-shirts that work with all of these. Perhaps a white Oxford, pink Oxford shirt, and a white t-shirt. So you've got one piece for each day, but they all go with everything. Remember, you'll be wearing almost half of these clothes when you travel, so there isn't that much to actually pack. For guidance on actually packing, see our previous video linked to below. Next time, we'll expand on this into a longer trip.